to light speed on my mark.
Black leader.
We just left Batuu.
Unusual signal. Are you spotting anything?
Yeah, I see it. We'll check it out. BB-8, what do you got?
There appear to be a number of small craft heading our way. Raise the shield.
We got company. First order TIE fighters. Reroute. Reroute. Right, two blue fire. We're gonna clear a path for transport. We make a jump. They're all over us. I'm hit.
We lost Red 2. More incoming. Blue 5 taking evasive action.
Try to shake him, Blue.
I'm trying.
We lost Blue 5. I'm gonna try to draw him away.
Copy that. Give us clear so we can make the jump.
Be ready.
Especially seeing the Last Jedi.
Wherever
When he killed all of his crew members.
Oh, the whole movie?
Yeah, the whole
Right there, single file.
See, yours is way different than mine. It looks like I got astigmatism.
Resistance spies, memorize the colors you are standing on. You'll be needing that information shortly.
Red.
Once I command you to enter your cell, you will do so, finding that same color and remaining on it until someone tells you what to do next. Maintain your face coverings at all times. Do I make myself clear?
Yes, sir.
Very well.
This one or that one.
Leave us,
Yes, General.
enemies of the First Order. We will soon snuff out your meager resistance. You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay. The Resistance prisoners.
You have what I want. You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
We are needed on the bridge.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
Just kidding.
Oh, that's fine. That's really cool.
Is everyone okay?
Yep.
Don't worry, we're with the resistance. We're getting you out of here. Any blues and reds and silver and orange. Let's move.
Blue and red.
Red, you're over here. Silver, you're here.
We have the recruits. Wait, you're still here? I was coming back with an attack force. Get to the escape pods now.
You got this little droid. I believe in you.
We need to find him a way.
Reclutos, para su seguridad, permanezcan sentados con su cinturón de seguridad bien ajustado. Mantengan las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del transporte y supervisen a sus niños.
Hold on the yellow strap on the right-hand side. Thank you. Recruits, this is R5. He's programming to get you out of here and back to R2.
All right, R5.
May the force be with you.
Thank you.
You too. I don't know how you're getting out.
Yeah, I don't know how you're getting out, but I'm getting out.
Want to jump on? We're leaving.
Don't make my birthday so much
Down
better
to the
now. Thank
escape
you.
pod base. Those droids are programmed to return you to Batuu. Hurry and don't get caught. Lieutenant Beck will guide you.
Recruits, for your safety, stay seated with seatbelts securely fastened. Keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise your children.
Oh, look at all of them.
Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now get them on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right. Probe droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, those are the prisoners.
No! Get away! Get away!
Cover is blown. Find an alternate route. Who made these two droids anyway?
Prisoners are sealed and deep.
Take cover, recruits.
resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields.
Shields? I see no evidence.
Now!
Down the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
Sir, the prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run.
We're leaving.
Attention, all resistance personnel. Abandon ship. I repeat, abandon ship. The destroyers are back.
There's no escape. You will tell me the location of the secret base. And then I'll destroy you and the resistance.
Oh, here we go. This is the best part of the ride. I know, she's the same way.
Okay, you're clear.
Your escape pods came in a little off target. Ground crews will meet you outside the wreck.
All right, nice job, recruits. Not what you signed on for, but hey, your resistance now. I think I have that authority, right?
Yeah.
Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on the deck. Line up, scan for his cockpit.
More escape pods down in Sector 4. Verification pending.
Lieutenant back here.
You're right.
I should hope so. Great job, recruits. Thanks to your heroism, the location of the resistance base is secure.
You sound like Captain Akbar, though.
Yes, R5, you too.
Oh, I loved it. That made the day.
Yep. I am happy. Have a good one.